Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video, I will explain some paragraph of chapter 6. And as you have learned that this chapter tells that everyone has some special and unique qualities, and different people have shared their unique experiences and feelings in this chapter. Now let's start this chapter. So look into your book before you read. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. So here in this paragraph, it is discussed about what people like and how people are different in their liking and qualities and skills. Everyone is interesting and expert in different ways. They have some unique and special qualities. Then it is also told that think about yourself, that what is special and unique quality do you have, and what's your favorite activity. So in this context, some people share their feelings and favorite activities. So one of them is Radha. So to know about what Radha shared, look into your book, paragraph number 1. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it's simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it's not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So here in this paragraph, Radha shared her liking and favorite and daring activities. She said that her favorite thing was climbing trees. There was a mango tree outside of her house, and she liked the most to climb that mango tree. The branches of that mango tree covered a large area, which made it easier to climb on that tree, and Radha can sit comfortably on the branches, where the branch of tree is split into 2 parts. Her mother tried to stop Radha from climbing trees by saying that it was not good for girls to climb trees, and you may hurt yourself also. But Radha did not stop. So what happened? In one afternoon, when Radha was on the tree, her mother also climbed up, and both Radha and her mother were enjoying on the tree by talking and eating raw mangoes. While talking on the tree, Radha said that climbing tree made her feel as if she could rule the whole world. So this is all about what Radha was feeling. Now to know about next, look into your book. Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends lots of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so, I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that he can use them again and not spend money every year. So in this paragraph you learn about what Nasir wanted to do. So Nasir says that once he grows up he would like to become a seed collector because his family had cotton fields and every year his father has to spend good amount of money on buying new seeds to grow cotton plants. So he wanted to stop this expenditure and save the money which were spent to buy new seeds every year. And his grandfather told him that in their times they had not to spend money on buying seeds every year because they used to get seeds from their own plants. It means they preserve the seeds of their own plants till next year, then those seeds were used to grow new plants. By this way, they saved the money every year. Then Nasir said that he wanted to search the way to preserve seeds as it would help to save money. So this was the reason Nasir wanted to become a seed collector. So this is your today's lesson. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.